we're in a tuk-tuk.
Guatemalan tuk-tuk.
Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in Flores, Guatemala. If you're new to the channel, this is April.
Hola.
And I'm Wayne. We also have our tour guide with us, Selvin. He's taking us all throughout Guatemala, so check out the series at the end of the show to see all the different videos.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
We're taking a boat ride around Flores. Flores, Guatemala is a little tiny island that they added a bridge now, so now it's considered a peninsula. Check out this canoe. It's actually made out of wood with a modern motor on it.
So bright!
We're facing the damn sun. We would have gone the other way. We wouldn't have been facing the sun. I screwed us. Sorry, guys.
No, it's okay.
This is definitely one of the nicer towns that we've seen so far. It's fancy.
The people don't have a patio or backyard, for example, because it's too small.
It's so romantic, isn't it, April?
Oh, yes. The sun beating on me. You're like
Tired.
5 feet away.
I'm filming.
You're filming. I'm exhausted, sore.
I'm never known as Mr. Romance. So ladies, feel sorry for April. Is your significant other romantic? Comment below. April really wants to know.
Yes.
We stayed in a hostel here called Los Amigos. We had a private room.
With air conditioning.
Super awesome place. Decoration to the 9. Check it out at the end of the video.
And here in the middle, in the branch, one is a light green color. Maybe you will see.
It's like being in the jungle again. If you check out our Tikal video, that was the real jungle. Check out the card above. We just left Jose on the boat, just to give you an idea of what it costs. We went around the island completely. So for 20 minutes per person is 50 quetzales, right? Which comes out to about $6.46. It's a bargain. And it's super romantic, isn't it, April?
Oh, yes.
Is that coconut milk?
No, it's milk. Something else for you?
No, I don't eat. I literally don't eat
I
it.
am full too.
Let's see what you got.
Tres leches. Do you know what a tres leches is?
No, I really don't.
With the milk at the bottom, it soaks up into the
yes.
cake. You should have a bite. It is very moist.
Yeah, I want to bite. It tastes good. The texture's weird.
So I know what you're saying. It is a little weird too. It's not necessarily my first pick, but this is a very good tres leches.
Yeah, that's a big slice of cake. How many quetzales was this?
10.
So 10 quetzales is $1.30, and that was a huge piece of cake.
It's not super sweet, like in the States.
Yeah, it is. But that's why I like desserts out of the United States better. They don't overuse sugar.
So the flavors here, they have salty and they have a sweet. But they call one Hawaiiana. The Hawaiiana, the base is a pineapple. Yeah, they add pineapple juice and pineapple fruit. And another one they call sweet. The sweet base is milk, and they add banana pieces and chocolate and another fruit flavor. Another one is salty. They add tomato juice, lemon juice, salt, and chili pepper.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the salty one. Yeah, and they call loca. Loca is crazy. It's a crazy granizada.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you wanna taste some?
There's a big old chunk of ice.
Come this way.
Yeah.
No le voy a echar así como que mucho hielo para que no esté corriendo. Solo el llenecito nada más.
Vaya.
Is that Worcestershire? heck is she putting in yours?
Everything. This one is salty.
Yeah, like it looked like soy sauce and Worcestershire
Yeah,
sauce and hot sauce and
Lemon,
lemon. Oh my God,
tomato.
my ulcer would be
And
killing me.
tomato. Is it like to michelada?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like we were talking about enchilada.
yeah.
Look now, it's tomato juice.
Now you need some rum or something to go in there. Vodka.
Look, it's nice color too.
Yeah.
Pumpkin seed powder.
Yeah, it
can't-
gives it a different depth. Like, it's not just sweet and fruity. It's almost a little nutty, if that makes any sense.
Tell us what you have.
This one is almost michelada without beer. Do you want to taste?
I actually want to try it.
Yeah,
Okay.
so do
You
I.
This is great. I don't know why. You like that?
It's too salty. No?
I don't even know what that just happened in my
I
mouth.
don't taste it. Let me taste. Wow, it's too salty. Intense. Very intense.
But good flavors. But yeah, it's a little too salty.
I think it's
I
better.
told you, it's
I
not
think
what
it's
you
better
think.
this one. What do you think?
I don't know. It's too strong for me. I think that one was too salty for me too. I don't know. It just was like, bam! I was expecting something sweet in my mouth, and I got like punched in the face with weird flavors all kicking at one time.
It's the pumpkin seed. It kind of gives it a different depth. It's nutty or like herby, almost like aromatic.
Yeah.
That depth.
So is this only here in Flores? I've never heard of this
No.
frozen ice like this. Not seen like this. No. This is
All
not what I
Guatemala,
thought.
all Guatemala touristic places, you will find granizadas. Granizada, they mean frost. Mostly Guatemalan people, they like it. You can see around, many people,
Well,
they take one.
I see all the vendors selling it. Been out of the United States for a couple days. Had to get a burger.
Sauce. So it's pork and chicken. You're gonna want some of this and some.
Coleslaw.
Yes, and some fries. Yumminess. Oh, I like the ceiling.
Oh yeah, it's teak. We'll show you around the grounds here in a little bit.
Yeah, so far it's beautiful and colorful. I like the natural plants, the woods, and the colors.
And look at the bathroom. It's really neat. I like how they incorporate the wood in the bathroom. One of the things I like about Los Amigos Hostel is the way they incorporated the outside and the inside at the same time.
What do you mean?
So like if you really pay attention, there's like parts of the roof that if it starts raining, it's going to rain inside the building.
Yes.
So you get this feel that you're outside but you're inside at the same
Yes.
time.
Hola, buenas tardes. How are you guys doing?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Awesome. Are you ready for Tikal?
Oh, we love ruins.
Oh yeah, ruins are our favorite. Abandoned places and ruins.
Yeah, this is one of the most amazing Maya archaeological sites that we have here in Guatemala. And what I really like about Tikal is you really have to do a lot of walking through the jungles, the flora and the fauna. see some monkeys, some different animals. So you kind of like walk, you'll stop, you'll see a ruin, you'll get to have a wonderful explanation about it from Selving. Some of the ruins you can even climb up them. The view from the top of Temple 4 is amazing. You're looking out, you're above the canopy of the rainforest, and you can see another temple peeking out. I think you're gonna have a great time, and I can't wait to hear all about it and see your photos.
Los Bangos!
Let us know if you guys need anything. Otherwise, have a great time in Tikal. Ciao.
We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.